Hello, this is a bit more freeform devlog since I don't have a script for this one. I'm just going to ramble what I have done in the last 1.5 weeks. So I was working on my global deal trading system, which is like part of the trade playstyle. You can create deals for other villages where you sell some resource or collectible, and they will ask for some certain reward, and other village will accept it or not. This is the initial panel for it. This is not the final look. It will be improved, just like all the visuals in the game. But yeah, here's a short description. I am actually gonna move this to info under info button, so there would be a even shorter like summary. Global deals are trade deals made by villages. Any village can accept them, but to create them you need a building that enables global deals. Global deals expire if no one accepts them. Any deal can be accepted with either the asked resources or with diamonds. These have a chance to multiply the reward or give extra units to the seller. Created deals which ask for normal resources can become flash deals, which have a larger discount and expire faster, making them more appealing and giving more rewards to the seller. Yeah, there's currently no deals made by other computer villages, computer played villages, and I don't have a building that would enable creating the global deals. But let's fix that right away. So I created this simple shop model. It's like this kind of a stand which you could see at market or something. And now we can create a deal. I wanted to make it very simple, that there is no like sliders for selecting the resource amount, but you just select what you want to sell and what you want to get, and you cannot create a deal that asks for the same resource or collectible. And I also wanted to make it that the more valuable tradable determines the baseline. So we are not like trading 100 wood for 50 stone. No, we're trading 200 wood for 100 stone. So either one of the sides always has like 100 if it's these normal resources. And of course these more valuable single unit resources work in the same way that they raise the lesser valuable tradable amount in the deal. Let's just create this. We sell one blueprint for example 200 stones. Oh, and it became a flash deal. There it has this reward effect, and I'm not sure if you caught it, but it gave 260 instead of 200 flat, because the flash deal made it discounted more, and it added the discount to the reward, and then it also got multiplied. If I remember right, it was 2x multiplier in flash deal at the moment. And yeah, when you create the deal and it goes through, there is always a chance that you will either get multiplied reward, or when you are asking for this single, this didn't have any reward effect, so it gave 200. It can give +1 in these kind of deals. Let's see if someone accepts this one. Well, not yet at least. Here you can see indicator how many deals you have active, and well, on the left side there would be deals by others, but unfortunately there wasn't any at the moment. Let's see. And you can't create more than 2 concurrent deals, but that can be increased with talent system, which I will introduce later and also implement it later. I haven't done it yet. Well, actually, let's just increase the flash deal chance to 1, so 100%, and this reward multiplier chance. So now every deal will have the multipliers. So I can show you how they look like. Okay. There it is, flash deal giving very good amount of these resources, and it will probably go through now, any second now. Hello? No takers? Huh. Strange, since I gave every player too much of these resources. They're actually overflowing because you don't have the storage large enough for them. Huh. No one wants that. Let's try. Okay, now it went through. Yeah, and this one too. So as you can see, they gave a lot more resources. This was supposed to give just 200, but it gave 320, and this gave like something 640. They came at the same time, so they were a bit overlapping. I didn't catch it. There, it has the both effects active. A friend of mine talked that if this was a multiplayer game, then why would anyone like to or want to accept those deals, because they know they are helping another player out. Yeah, this is a single player game, but I just still wanted to think a reasonable explanation why the computer players would accept the deals. So, well, first of all, there was the discount for deals that ask for resources, so the buyer gets more what the seller is giving, and I thought that maybe there could also be like this. Yeah, maybe there could be also like deals made by player 0, so they are not actually going to any player, it's just a like deal that you can still interact normally. So then, well, let's see it first. Indicator shows the 2, they will probably go right away. Yeah, the computer players bought them. Yeah, then now because there is these deals that are not made by any real player, that would shift the thinking a little bit from like I'm for sure helping someone else out if I accept this deal to, well, there is a chance it's a non-player deal, so I am just getting the resource and not actually helping anyone out if they're like appear there in random intervals, because the deals are anonymous. You don't see who is getting the deal or who created the deal. So I think that is a pretty reasonable explanation or justification for the system. And also, well, actually before I even implemented the global deal system in the game. I talked about the trading ratios, how the tradables would compare to each other in diamond value. So here we can see like wood is the cheapest one, it's only a quarter of a diamond, and energy mass would be 2, and these more valuable special resources are that costly per 1 unit, as well as the blueprint collectible. And here is a table that shows the ratios against each other. So like, well, 100 wood would be 25 metal, but as I mentioned earlier, if you try to trade between these two, it actually selects the 100 metal, and then it requires 400 wood. So you always create the deal by the more valuable tradable. And I made this table separately because I am thinking of having wood and stone and their plus versions and blueprints in the release version, and these metal and energy mass resources would be at later on in the game. You can quickly show if the players have diamonds, they will prefer those because well, it's a spendable resource, and it depends on the win conditions if you need them later or not. And yeah, why not use them then? Yeah, there we will see that. And also you can like handicap the seller, because I now had this flash deal and would get a lot of resources, but if they use the diamonds, then I don't get the larger reward, I just get the 50 diamonds. So yeah, you can ruin someone's day by using diamonds, unless they want them for any specific reason. Let's see if a deal goes through. Okay, it went at the last moment. Yeah, one of them used diamonds and one of the others used they used resources, because I gave everyone just 50 diamonds. They didn't have enough to ruin my day. Yeah, well, that's about it. See you on the next one. Bye.